So if you work on old bikes for a while, eventually you're going to end up with something like this, where the spark plug threads are shot. On a Norton, that's a bit of a dilemma, because you're either stuck with a helicoil insert or you're stuck with the thick-walled insert, which goes into the valve seat area. So here's how I fix them. So what that first step has done is it's gone in there and created two sets of threads, and it put a seat about a half an inch down into the hole. Now this is what we're going to fill the hole with. The small portion of the threads is about the same size as a regular helical insert, and the large part of the threads is a little bit larger than a solid insert. So it gives us a good seat and a good seal with the strength of the large threads, and then the size of the small threads, which lets us sneak in by the valve seat without getting too close. So I'll put a bit of JB weld on this and get it torqued in place. So here's the insert torqued in place. Now we need to finish it up. So that tool trimmed the insert, and just touched the old seat to clean it up. And now we're back to our threading tool. And it's going to take 2 passes since the aluminum bronze is a bit tough to machine. So I'll come back and show you the finished product. So here's what we end up with. The outside diameter of the threads for the last 1/4 of an inch before the insert goes into the chamber is only 40 thousandths larger than it was originally. So that still leaves us plenty of meat between the seat and the thread insert. And now, since aluminum bronze conducts heat very well, we won't have to worry about running a colder plug to make up for the steel or stainless steel insert. Thanks for watching.